here we have it. Cullinan. This used to belong to actually Kylie Jenner. As you can see, the blue, it's a very special blue. This is paint. Haven't seen one before. It also has this beautiful white interior. She got the option for the back seats. Not many people have this. Really cool option, kind of cool but useless. I don't know, maybe if you go to a drive-in movie or something. This beautiful car though, just got blacked out. Let's close this up too. Close this. You gotta press the button, of course. And it swivels in. Pretty, I mean, I think this is just a cool factor. That's the coolest thing about it. We'll probably never use it. You do lose about 4 inches of trunk space as well. This car came completely stock to us. Everything was chrome, all these bottom trims, whatever, and we just blacked them out using wrap. Black on the door moldings, black door handles, black window moldings, black front grille. Everything was blacked out. And on top of all that, the best feature, 26-inch RDB wheels in gloss black. 26s are obviously big, but they look insane on this car, and this color already is cool. A lot of times I would suggest to paint this stuff blue, which we might do at a later time. I think that would make it even better, but this customer wanted to just do the blackout for now. We didn't lower it. This is on its low setting stock with the factory button. So if you see the rolling shots, the car's sitting a little bit high because that is in stock position. Our interior is nice with white, a little bit of orange piping and accents. But we do so many Cullinans now, and it's so amazing to see different flavors like this. We're doing Jeffree Star's white black badge Cullinan right now with a very, very special custom wrap color. Super excited for that. It's one of the best colors we've ever created, I think, and I'm super, super happy about it. Hopefully we'll be able to print out these custom colors and ship them worldwide at this point, because like I said, we have an eye for it, and I think that brown is going to be the best brown you could buy. So you'll see that. This car, since it belonged to Kylie, I think she had limo tints on there, the whole sides, even the front window. So when you're driving it during the daytime, it feels like almost nighttime. So this thing at night is going to be tough to drive, but you know, celebrity status, you got to hide yourself. We're also considering doing a black pinstriping on the side of the vehicle. It has this factory white pinstriping. Kind of doesn't make sense anymore. I mean, I know it goes with the interior, but the outside has no more chrome. It's just all black and blue. So I think we're going to be wrapping a black pinstripe as well on this. So other than that, beautiful Cullinan. Okay, you need 2 people for that, but you can take it out. So it is removable. That makes it even cooler.
Hey, este carro está muy bonito, man. Me encanta. In my city, my country, where I coming from, I never think I'm gonna touch, like, not even like this. Cuando this junk is. Yeah, nice, huh? Over there is only burros, you know, caballos, vacas.
You guys know we do a lot of Bentley service and mechanical repairs. This one again has a problem in the front. The suspension on this car, the whole front end of this car is dropped to the ground. Blown shocks in the front. We're gonna go ahead and change the shocks so we can get this car back. Santos is gonna knock this thing out today, so let's get it started.
So I paint my Sentra custom, wing, emblem, no, and the front too. This is my baby. It's like Paloma.
Why is this in a different color?
This one somebody paint in other shop.
So why don't you paint it and fix it?
Okay, I color make.
Too late now.
Okay, I do it now.
Too late, too late. You already painted your bumper. What is this, pearl white?
PPE paint.
This guy has Lamborghini paint on his Nissan Corolla.
Quality RDB.
It's a Sentra SV.
This is Super Veloz. Sentra Super Veloz.
Do you drift in this? You drift?
Yeah.
You know, Marvin is laughing at you. We're gonna show his truck next. You have a ponytail on the back and you have a ponytail on the front.
You're such an idiot.
Okay.
I'm sorry for that word.
Right now, Luis is underneath the Ferrari F8. This is Khalid's F8 that we wrapped in this chalk gray color. We also have these gold and chrome wheels on there. Exhaust system, you guys saw us do all that. We are now installing the F8 carbon fiber kit from 1016 Industries, the full kit.
I love it.
As you can see, he has installed the front lip and these two pieces right here that go in the side vents of the front bumper. So this looks incredible. Carbon, 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 all matching twill to the factory carbon as well. There's carbon going on the hood, the sides, the back. The back is probably the masterpiece on this. So we're gonna be doing this, finishing it up. On the next episode, you guys are gonna see this completely done up. This is gonna be the first US-based F8 with a body kit on there. It's also the first one from 1016 Industries. So Luis, hurry up.
You're welcome.
In my hand, actually, we have the hood piece. Goes right here. It's pretty simple. Has to be glued on. However, this is so thin and fragile that
Leave it there.
it came cracked.
Leave it there.
Yeah, that's the middle piece. So basically, this goes here. Cool thing about this car also, it's a wrap, so we're not doing anything to the paint. All removable. That looks pretty intense right there. They're sending a new piece for us for that, but yeah, once we get that, we're gonna throw it on. But yeah, check that out. It looks really, really crazy.
Ah, we say the same word. Got him.
It's the only word you know, that's why.
Crazy.
So, we have a Toyota Camry here. As you guys can see, this thing ran out of oil completely. There's no engine oil inside the car. Engine seized, so now we're gonna have to go look for a motor. Customer wants to keep the car. He does not want to buy a new one. Let's get started. We're gonna go on a test drive on the Camry. Engine is all inside. Customer's coming later to pick the Camry up, but we have a problem. Sarkis loves this spot here. So every time he comes for parking, he always parks his car here. And I think he parked the van here this way. So if somebody opens the van door, it's not gonna hit his BMW. So now there's a problem. I can't get into the Camry to test drive. Let's take a look. See how close he parked the car. So as you guys can see, Sarkis parked this car here. So I can't even get through here. So I gotta get through the passenger side. That's what we're gonna do right now. Be back. I'm gonna get him back for this. I'm not kidding.
Put a nail inside.
This Camry is very identical to mine. It's just mine's white. I like white on the exterior. It looks good on almost every car. This car originally had 153,000 miles before the engine went bad. I mean, these engines go for forever. I mean, I've seen them 250 to 300,000 miles. But the thing is, this car had an oil leak. Customer didn't know. So that's what happened. Ran out of oil. Luckily, we do have good connects with stuff like this. Again, like I said, we do everything here. No job is big enough for us. We do it all. It's perfect. There's not one sound. There's not one light. The car is back to new. Vic's very mad right now. I don't know why. This is a part of the job here at RDB. We're testing the car. I don't know why he's mad. I don't know. I think he just doesn't want me to film any other car besides supercars. I don't know. But we do everything here. So I'm going to film this car.
I don't understand. Sarkis is stuck on BMW X6M and you're stuck on Camrys.
We're testing it. Customers.
You don't have to go for a 45-minute
We
test
didn't.
drive.
We were just went around the block and
Yeah,
came
you
back.
have 300 phone calls inside.
I told Sarkis to take message and numbers.
Oh, and Sarkis is gonna do.
I told him to.
Sarkis can't do his own job. You're gonna give him something else to do?
Customers coming. Car's good. Just want to make sure it's good. That's it. We're good. He's gonna be happy. Okay. We're coming inside.
What is this? Christmas? Wow. I don't eat chocolate. You know what? Because look at this one. It's too much chocolate. But this time I'm gonna take it. What is yours?